Starting a new relationship can be challenging. Have you ever been in this situation? You walk into your new workplace, excited about fresh beginnings and meeting new people. On your first day, everyone welcomes you warmly and everything feels promising. On the second day, a few people say hello to you when you arrive in the morning. The first week goes by smoothly, maybe even the first month. But after some time, you're still struggling to actually connect with anyone. The thought creeps into your mind, do they actually like me? Don't worry, people probably just need more time to get to know you. In today's video, I will show you a few simple habits to make people enjoy your conversation, like spending time with you, and in short, here's 10 tips to make people like you more. Tip number 1. Call them by their name. One of the easiest, simplest ways, but it is incredibly effective, regularly call people by their name. Think about it. Have you ever been at a busy gathering and heard someone mention your name from across the room? Even with all the noise, you immediately perk up and focus because your brain treats your name as something important. So, when you call someone by their name, you trigger that same response in them. They'll feel heard and appreciated. So, take a moment to remember people's names, pronounce them correctly, and sometimes call them directly by their name. You'll be surprised at how much it can improve your relationship with them. Tip number 2. Ask questions about someone's passions and interests. People's passions and interests mean a lot, so why not use that to create a connection? Think about how you feel when someone genuinely asks about your favorite hobby. Whether it's a sport, a book, or a personal project, that kind of attention shows that the other person values what makes you. So, by asking about someone's passions, you're not only getting to know them better, but you're also building a stronger bond. So, take the time to ask about what drives them, learn about their passions, and share your support. Tip number 3. Give genuine compliments. Complimenting people when you notice something great about them can go a long way in building strong connections. For example, how do you feel when someone genuinely praises something you've done or when they recognize your efforts? It makes you feel valued, loved, and respected. By giving genuine compliments, you build positive associations. So, don't hesitate to share a compliment when you notice something admirable. It strengthens relationships and helps others feel good about themselves. Tip number 4. Copy the person you're with. This might sound strange, but this is called mirroring, and it happens naturally when we feel comfortable with someone. For example, have you ever been in a conversation where you noticed both you and the other person are sitting in a similar position or using similar gestures? When you mirror someone's body language, they subconsciously feel more in sync with you, which can strengthen the connection. So, next time you're talking to someone, try subtly matching their posture, tone, or gestures. It will help create a sense of harmony and make them feel more at ease with you. Tip number 5. Look to the positives first. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to radiate positive energy even when things aren't perfect? The thing is that when you look for the good in any situation, people around you feel more comfortable and drawn to your positive energy. They associate you with good vibes and positivity. So, next time you're faced with a challenge or even a simple conversation, try focusing on the positive side. Your energy will be contagious, and others will enjoy spending time with you more. Tip number 6. Offer value without imposing it. Most of the tips so far have been about what to do for or to people, but this one is about you. Share useful advice or information, but do not push others to take it. Why does this work? When you offer value, they are more likely to come back to you for advice in the future. But avoid making it feel like you were forcing your opinions, which can make people feel pressured and stressed. So, share your knowledge or experiences in a way that feels natural, not pushy. Tip number 7. Reveal your flaws from time to time. Another tip that may sound strange but works miraculously. Being a little vulnerable can actually make people like you more. The psychology behind this is simple. Flaws make people seem more human and relatable. People are drawn to those who are real, not just the ones who always get things right. However, it's important to show that you are skilled and capable first. Then, admitting a mistake or showing a little vulnerability can make you more likable and relatable. Tip number 8. Act like you like them. Even if you're unsure how the other person feels about you, acting as though you like them can create a positive atmosphere. Why? Because warmth and positivity will likely be returned. So next time you can think about how you feel when someone treats you with warmth and care. Then you show interest, smile, and engage. I'm sure that most people will naturally respond with the same kindness. Tip number 9. Display a sense of humor. You don't need to make an incredible joke. Just showing that you enjoy humor helps create a connection and makes people feel more comfortable around you. Think about it. How do you feel when someone cracks a lighthearted joke in a conversation? It breaks the ice, makes the interaction enjoyable, and sets a positive tone. So, don't be afraid to share a little joke or funny story, even if it's a bit silly. It's an easy way to make the person like you more and build a positive relationship. Tip number 10. Spend more time with them. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, sometimes people feel awkward simply because they don't know you well enough yet. Ultimately, the most important factor in building any relationship is time. Whether it's a lunch break, a coffee chat, or working together on a project, the time you spend with someone builds familiarity and trust. The more you interact, the stronger your connection will grow, and they'll begin to enjoy your company even more. Finally, remember, learning how to make people like you more takes time and effort. Be patient and stay genuine. Good luck with creating deeper connections. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips on how to build relationships. I'll see you in the next video.